Hi, family, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post videos twice a week where I share organization tips, decorating ideas, DIYs, crafts, recipes, upcycles, and product reviews, and all things to help you live a comfortable, cozy, and organized lifestyle. And don't forget to check out my blog where I offer even more tips at clarissacoward.com. How do you feel about quick and easy dinners? Well, if you're a working mom or a working wife, as I am, it can be very handy. And I have one for you today. A friend of mine initiated this recipe because she got her hands on some fresh peppers and a lot of them, so she shared them with me. And when she brought them over, I thought, well, this can be a quick dinner. So I'm mixing it with sausage and some other ingredients, so it can be a meal on its own, but it's really good if you add some sauteed vegetables on the side or corn on the cob or something like that. So if you're interested in seeing how I pulled this recipe together, come on in and let's get started. So I am going to start by preparing my peppers, and I'm going to wash them really well after I core them, and I'm going to let them soak in some vinegar water while I go ahead and prepare the mixture that I'm going to stuff them with. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to start here by sauteing some onions to go in my mixture, and once the onions are browned and caramelized, then I will start to brown and cook my ground pork and pork sausage. And just so you know, I am sauteing them, the onions, in extra virgin olive oil. You can get this done a little quicker too if the meat that you're going to prepare is thawed out already. Like I said, my girlfriend surprised me with these peppers, and so I thought I would go ahead and prepare them. Now, my ground pork was thawed, but my sausage was some that we had gotten that was fresh sausage that was a gift as well. Someone had gifted us with. And so it was not thawed out. So here we go. I had packaged it in ways that I could use it, singular package for us. So I thawed it out while I browned it. And so that's what I'm doing here. So just get ahead of me and thaw everything out. Although the fresh pork sausage was already seasoned, the ground pork was not. So that's what I'm doing here. If you notice that I'm only seasoning one half of the pan, it's because I'm seasoning the ground pork. Also, if you noticed, I used two types of olive oil so that it wouldn't stick to the bottom. I used the jalapeno flavor because we like things a little spicy around here. And then I also used regular olive oil, but not a lot because, this meat comes with its own oil, and I didn't want a whole lot. So family, somehow I lost the footage of me preparing the mixture together. So what I did here was I gave you a recipe for that. So the recipe for the mixture that I stuffed my peppers with is this slide. So here we have the peppers stuffed with the mixtures from the slide before and ready to go into the oven to bake for about 30 minutes. You want your peppers soft but still a little crunchy, or I do anyway. If you want them really, really soft, you can boil them before you stuff them. I just prefer not to do that. So now they're all stuffed and ready to go into the oven for about 30 minutes. Next, family, they have baked, and now I've put the shredded cheese over, and they'll go back in the oven for about 10 minutes. And voila, here we have the stuffed peppers all prepared, cheese melted, and they look yummy. And I must say they did taste yummy as well. I did not plate them because I was waiting for Hubs to get home to have dinner. I should have plated them so that you could have seen them with the side of sauteed vegetables that I had with. But trust me that they were good. So family, how's that for a quick recipe? It really doesn't take long at all. I think the prep time going along with the sauteing of everything is about 30 minutes, and then it's about 30 minutes to prepare, but it's 30 easy minutes. It's not, cutting up a lot of stuff except for the onions. It's just easy. You could also add a little garlic to this as well. I like paste garlic, but I didn't add any this time because, it's like I said, the sausage that I use is very well seasoned. So do you think you'll give this recipe a try? This is the second stuffed pepper recipe I've shared with you. The other, I think I used beef and rice, but this one is a little simpler than the other was. So with that said, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today for this recipe video. I hope you enjoyed it. I truly enjoyed sharing it with you. I love hanging out with you guys. I really do. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below. And if you subscribe, also hit the bell so that you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. That would be very nice if you would become a part of the Cozy Lifestylers. I would love to have you as part of the family. With that said, I want to thank my lifestylers for sticking and staying. You guys know I love you, and I appreciate you for being here with me. And with all of that said, I would like to close this video like I normally do by wishing you or leaving you with hugs and blessings and advising you to find your own personal and special element. With that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.